Welcome to this video tutorial on creating animated sketch notes on your iPad. So the process here I'm going to walk you through is how to go from beginning to end with creating this kind of animated version on your iPad. As you can see here, I'm using Paper 53 and I'm just creating my sketch notes in Paper by 53 on my iPad using some of the zooming features and various tools in the toolbar. When I'm done here, the critical step is to export this image to the camera roll, my final sketch notes. I'll squeeze the notebook together, tap the export arrow, and send this to the camera roll. What I want to do is make sure that the transparency is turned on or turn the background off. So now that I have a transparent version of this, the next step is to jump over to Explain Everything, where I can begin to drop my sketch notes on the screen and animate them. So that process, what I'll do is tap on the plus sign on the left-hand side, dig into the camera roll, and then find the sketch, the transparent sketch that I just made in Paper by 53. So what I'm going to do now is grab one element at a time from my original sketch note in Paper 53 and bring it to life in Explain Everything. So you can see I'm outlining my first figure showing the idea that he's thinking of. I'll drop that on the screen and hit record down below just for a few seconds. I'll add a little bit of movement to bring that image to life slightly. I'm going to repeat this process again and again and again, bringing each element into Explain Everything from my transparent Paper by 53 sketch. And that is essentially going to bring my sketch notes to life in video form. I'll then just export them to the camera roll for my final process. What I can then do is jump into iMovie, grab the animated version of the sketch notes from Explain Everything and drop them into my timeline in iMovie. Now that it's in iMovie, I can add some voiceovers. So now instead of having one static image that's created by Paper 53 that I can post and share, what I've done is brought my ideas to life by combining Paper, Explain Everything, and iMovie with the voiceovers. That final product can be exported and I can send this to my YouTube channel, Vimeo, or the camera roll.